Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures.
Hi, I'm Corban, that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing the Plasma Grape. So stay tuned. Be careful in this experiment. Plasma grapes are hot and it could mess up your microwave. The first step is to cut your grape in half, but make sure that it's connected by a tiny piece of grape skin. Just like this. The last step is to put your grape in the microwave for 10 seconds. That was so close. Thanks for watching. Bye. Here to subscribe. Bye.
See you in the next video. Bye.